First, unbox your fixture and take the anchor rods out of the parts box. Now, screw the anchor rods into the pre-installed cage nuts. Next, you will need to install the trim. You're now ready to connect any through-wall plumbing connections, including any couplings, pipe nipples, and tubing. After this is complete, you are now ready to slide the fixture into the security frame that is already embedded into the wall. We are now ready to go to the chase side to securely mount the fixture. All 4 anchors will use the large washers that are included in the parts box. Next, you'll connect the flexible tubing to the pneumatic valve as shown. All remaining plumbing connections must be connected according to your local and regional plumbing codes. That completes this guide on how to install Metcraft lavatories. Thanks for watching!